guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a good paper airplane that can fly up to 20 feet if you throw it off a ledge. So first you're going to want to take your piece of A4 paper, like you're making a simple airplane. Fold the two edges in like this if you're confused. Then I want you to repeat that step. There's syrup on the table, so it's not really going to work well. Okay, and then you're going to do that. Fold back those edges once more. And then do this. You're going to fold these edges in 3 times. And then this is what I want you to do. You want to take this and bring it up to here. If you're confused, this is what it looks like after. Like a spaceship, right? And then you're going to need to fold it with the inside going out, facing outward. And then there you go. Take it. There you go. You have a paper aeroplane. Okay, so now let's throw it and see how it does. Okay, so I don't think. Okay, so this version doesn't work very well, but if you want to, fold these flaps in and leave like that big of a crack in there. And then you're going to take your aeroplane and throw. So I'm standing over here and made it over there. Can't really aim too well because so it is 5 in the morning. Okay. I'm going to show you how to build our next paper aeroplane. No, I don't know where your phone is. You're going to take another piece of A4 paper and then do the same thing we did last time. But you're going to want to wait on that third fold for the corners. Alright? So, do that and I'll meet you guys at that step. Well, you'll meet me at that step because I'm already done. And then, by then your paper airplane should be looking like this. And then you're going to want to do the same step. Fold it inward, but we're not doing anything to the wings. So then this, gotta fix the nose. Should look something like this. Your plane should look something like this. I don't really know how to show it to you on camera, so turn around. That's what it should look like. Okay, and we're gonna throw it. If you built it already once, you should feel the air resistance coming towards it. You should feel the air resistance coming when you do this. And then, so, next to the bad paper aeroplane you go. And then you see me, all the way over here. Like, I'm super back here. So, okay. So guys, okay, I was standing right here, and our paper aeroplane landed right there in the water, which is a far distance. Like, I was standing right here. And for a small area, it is a far distance. So this right here is our number 1 plane. But if I can make something better, then that might be our number 1 plane. Okay, so I'm a really good plane builder. And I know how to make a world record plane. Right? You fold the 2 tops in. And then fold the side in. Fold the side in. And your plane should look something like this so far. And then you do to fold that in half. Bring down the sides like so. Then your plane should look something like this. Let's see. Yes, it does have some air resistance, and it does have wings that are getting bigger. So we're gonna throw that.